Quadratic equations, factorising and solving. When I'm factorising and solving these, when you factorise, you're always looking for two numbers that sort of add and subtract to give you the coefficient of x and multiply to give the final number. So you're looking for two numbers that add to give me, that's minus 1x. So add to give me minus 1 and multiply to give me minus 20. So because you always look at the product to start, because the product is a minus, one of the numbers has got to be a minus and one of them has got to be a plus, because a negative times a positive equals a negative. So which two numbers have got times to give you 20 and got a difference of 1, 5 and 4. So it's either going to be minus 5 plus 4, or it's going to be the other way around, minus 4 and plus 5. So we want to make minus 1. Now when I'm adding them, minus 5 is the 5 below 0. If I add 4 on, it comes up to minus 1. So this is the answer. So when I factorise it, I write x minus 5, x plus 4. When it tells me to solve it now, I put it equal to 0. And what I do, I put the first bracket equal to 0 and the second bracket equal to 0. And then what I do is just take the number over the other side. When it goes over the other side, it becomes the opposite. So the opposite of take away 5 is plus 5. And the opposite of add 4 becomes minus 4. So the answer here is x equals 5 and x equals minus 4. The next one. This one here, they add to give me the middle term, minus 2. And then they multiply to give me minus 24. So what two numbers add to give me minus 2 and multiply to give me minus 24? So the answer to these ones are, I'm thinking now, because the product is a minus, they got to be 1 minus and 1 plus, because a minus times a minus is a minus. So what numbers times to give me 24? I've got a 12 and a 2, an 8 and a 3 and a 6 and a 4. Because it's a minus 2, it means you've got to go down lower than 0 once you've added them on. So it means, which one of them have got a gap of 2? This one. And it means, because you're going further down, the minus is going to be in front of the 6 and the plus in front of the 4. So the answer to this one would be x minus 6, x plus 4. That's the factorising bit. I'm now going to put equal to 0, and either the first bracket equals 0, and then the minus 6 goes over and becomes plus 6, or the second bracket equals 0, and then the plus 4 goes over and becomes the opposite, so it's minus 4. So they are my two answers, x equals 6 or x equals minus 4.